Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the Ertiga head unit model and whether it supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or standalone GPS input. Once done, power the car to ACC and connect a phone via USB or pair over Bluetooth if supported. Make sure your phone's location services and mobile data or hotspot are on, because maps need real-time data. You do this now to avoid disconnects later. It sets the conditions for a stable navigation link. Next, on the Ertiga head unit, go to Connectivity and select Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or the Bluetooth input. Choose USB if prompted for a wired link. On your phone, accept the connection request and grant permissions for location, files, and microphone so voice navigation and maps can work. Then open the Maps app and update or download offline maps to prevent routing loss in poor signal. Make sure both devices show a confirmed connection before moving on. Finally, launch navigation on the head unit or phone and run a short test route to check directions, voice guidance, and rerouting. If you see lag, audio issues, or disconnects, try a high-quality USB cable, reboot both devices, and check for firmware updates on the head unit. If problems persist, unpair and repair Bluetooth or clear the Maps app cache. This often resolves stale permission or connection states. One key tip: swap the cable first, most faults lie there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.